or welcome back to my channel if you're new. My name is Arissa and today I'm doing a productive summer day in my life. Today marks the first full week of summer and I'm so excited about it. Stay tuned for a lot of new videos this summer. Today I'm going to do a lot of baking, some organizing, grocery store, just a little bit of everything. So I'm so happy y'all decided to click on this video to hang out with me today, but I'm really ready to eat breakfast and drink some coffee. Okay, so this is the coffee I drink. It's the International Delight iced coffee, and this is the vanilla flavor. I really like this for like school because all I have to do is just get a cup and pour it and I can make it or anything, which is super helpful. I just realized I didn't put ice in that. You know, it's fine. We'll just do no ice today. I don't know if I should make chocolate muffins or blueberry muffins. So I think I'm just gonna do this where you just add milk or water into it. For my birthday, I got like a ton of candy and baking stuff. So I'm really excited to use my cupcake pan thing for the first time. It smells so good. Okay, so the muffins are done. So now I'm gonna eat one of these and then start getting dressed, take a shower, and get ready for the day. Okay, so we're about to go to the grocery store, but I'm gonna give y'all a little outfit of the day. So I'm wearing this dress. My aunt brought me this yesterday and it's the cutest thing ever. And it's from Shein. Look how cute. And I'm also wearing sneakers. Literally this summer, like mark my words, I'm literally only wearing dresses and sneakers. These are my Pumas I got from Amazon. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I just got back inside. I took some pictures of me in this dress, so I will insert those on the screen right there. But I realized I didn't show you guys what came in my Ipsy bag for the month of May. And I really want to start like showing you every month what comes in my bag, just incorporating it in a video. So I'm going to show you what came in this month's bag. Okay, so these are the two bags that came. This one's my favorite one. It's super cute. And basically it came with, so this one came with like some makeup wipes, this hand cream, and then this one came with this Awake lip treatment, and I've been using this, and then also this Perfect Glow BB concealer. I also have the like BB cream serum stuff as well, and then it also came with this primer, the Sugar Goddess of Flawless Perfecting Primer, and then this Bad Habit face cleanser. I'm pretty sure Bad Habit is Emma Chamberlain's line or brand or something, but I haven't tried this yet, but I really do want to try it, and it is matcha and mint. So yeah, and then it also came with this eyeliner pencil, and this is the brand Divine something. I can't pronounce it. I don't want to try it and mess it up, but yeah, I think I want to show y'all every month what comes in my bag, just mentioning it in the video. Well, yeah, I don't know what to say. But yeah, that's all that came in my bag for the month of May, and hopefully in June I will also just show y'all in a video what came in my June bag. So I currently have 24 cupcakes in the oven. I will link down below the recipe. I don't really want to make the whole video like a baking video, so I'm probably just gonna show me like putting the dessert together. but super easy. It's literally like a couple ingredients. It's strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, whipped cream, pudding, and cake. So I want to show you guys the mixture. So this mixture is pudding and whipped cream just mixed together. These are the berries. I'm cutting up the cupcakes, and then you'll see what I'm going to do with them later. So here is the final product. Okay, so now that I'm done baking, I'm gonna go ahead and let all that kind of sit together for an hour or two. And then I'm gonna change my clothes because I don't think I'm going anywhere else today. And then I'm gonna eat some dinner. So I thought I would do like one of those transition shots where I like cover up the camera and then I'm wearing something different. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm in my pajamas and I've eaten dinner and dessert, and then so basically my only other plans for tonight are to edit and then watch some movies, do my skincare, and then go to sleep because I feel like editing is probably gonna take like the most amount of time for me to do. So thank y'all so much for watching today's video. Make sure you let me know like some more videos you want to see in the future, and follow me on my social medias like TikTok and Instagram. I'm always on TikTok, always posting. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I have whipped cream in my hair. That's cute. Anyways, bye.